In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Grammarly in 60 seconds. If you've ever lost a sentence by accident while editing, don't worry. Bringing it back is quick and simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get right back to writing. First, make sure you have Grammarly open with the document you're working on. This could be in the Grammarly web editor or the desktop app. Either way, the process is the same. You should see your text in the main editor area, and your cursor should be active in the document. If your cursor isn't blinking inside the text, click once where you were working so the editor knows you're ready to type or use shortcuts. Now, let's talk about the moment something goes wrong. Maybe you highlighted a paragraph and hit delete, or you held backspace a little too long, or a quick aerobic edit removed more than you intended. It happens to everyone. The good news is that Grammarly keeps a recent history of your changes during your session, so you can step backward to the version you had a second ago. The fastest way to do that is with the standard undo keyboard shortcut. A shortcut is simply a quick key combination that tells the editor to reverse your last action. In this case, place your cursor in the document and press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. Hold the Control key, then tap the Z key once. If you're on a Mac keyboard, use Command+Z. You should immediately see the deleted word, phrase, astan, or formatting reappear just as it was. If the first press doesn't bring back everything you need, press the shortcut again to move back through your recent edits step by step. Each tap reverses one action, so you can carefully return to the exact point before the mistake. If nothing seems to happen, make sure the document is selected by clicking in the text area, and try the shortcut again. A quick tip: undo works best right after the change occurs. While you can undo several steps, the history generally applies to your current editing session. If you close the tab or navigate away, that history may not persist. Also, remember that Grammarly's suggestions sometimes modify text for clarity or tone. If a suggestion removed more than you wanted, the same Ctrl+Z shortcut will revert that change as well. That's all you need. Open your document in Grammarly, and if you accidentally delete a text or phrase, press Ctrl+Z to undo it instantly. Keep this shortcut in muscle memory, and you'll edit with confidence, knowing you can always step back.